All right, welcome back to another exciting episode. Oh my goodness, of EVs for Donkeys. We are wrapping up the installation on our car charger, where we see here we've added a 50 amp connection. This is our cable running through the ground, since we couldn't go through the ceiling, vaulted ceiling, and the landlord helped out digging the rest of it up. We went around this ground here, we went through the ground, through here, we took out the tree. There was a tree trunk. He ran the pipes, he paid for all the piping, and then he drilled a hole, went underneath the cement here, drilled a hole to the garage, where we connected to this guy right here. This is our connection, our 1450 as they call it. I have no idea, but this is called a 1450. Looks like that. Our plug looks like that. All right. And this is our badass cable that we got on eBay. It was 350 bucks and it was worth every penny. It does 32 amps, 240 volts, 32 amps, and it's, like I said, it charges this bad boy up in about 3 hours, less than 3 hours, almost 2.5. So this is the new toy. This is the commuter, the driver, the delivery van, all wrapped up into one. So right now I'm getting about 75 to 80 miles per charge, and then I get another 50, 60 miles per gas in the 2 gallons. So gets me through a day's worth of work. In one day it'll work out, and then I'll come home and charge it up for about $2 or $3 and drive it around all day. That's the only way to do it if you live in nowhere, California, with absolutely no infrastructure. Well, there's one charger. There's one DC charger that's available. But yeah, that's it. That's the gist of it. Landlord did most of the work with me, and then I had an electrical installer come out for about 200 bucks and wrap it up. In other words, 200 bucks to finish up the job pretty much. He had to certify it, kind of thing, and plug that in and put the actual connections together. That's yeah, that's the gist of it. And that guy there, oh, also I wanted to show this real quick. So if you see here on most BMW i3s, you'll see a blue strip on the bottom of the cars. I went ahead and spent 10 bucks on some vinyl paper, vinyl, whatever you call it, wrapping, and took out the blue strip. You see that there? So I think it looks better. The wife doesn't care for it, but I don't care for the blue strip. I might actually do the front. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do the front blue. Take out that too, but yeah, that's it. All right, I'll enjoy. Any questions, comments, please. Actually, somebody watch the video. That'd be great. All right, have a good one. I'll make more of these things to explain how driving and living with an EV can work in any situation, anywhere in the world. Country, world, city, county. Anyway, have a good one.